Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a partition on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So to start with, what you need to do is you just need to click on this search icon here and then search for partition. And when you search for partition, you will be able to see this result which says create and format hard disk partition. So I'm going to just click on this option, which is going to open the disk management window. Now, if somehow you can't search for this option, then we have the other option to open the same window. For that, we just need to right click on this PC on your folder explorer. So right click on this PC option and then click on show more options and then click on manage option. And once you click on manage, it's going to open this kind of window. And here you need to choose disk management under storage. Okay, so on the storage section, you will see disk management and it will also open the same window. So you just need to open this window either way, whatever suits for you. Once this window is open, you can see I have here C drive. And I want to create a partition on this drive. You might have multiple drives here. It might be D drive and E drive. So whatever hard drive you want to choose for your partition, you can select that drive. Okay. So once you have decided on which hard disk you want to create a partition, you need to just select that disk. But before that, let me show you how many partition I have on my Windows 11 operating system. So as you can see, I only have one local disk, which is around 100 GB. So I want to create one more partition, right, on the same hard disk. So select the hard disk on which you want to create a partition, and then just right click on it, and then just click on shrink volume option here. So just click on shrink volume option. And once you click on shrink volume option, you will be able to see total size before shrink in MB, size of available shrink space in MB. So this is the available size to shrink. And then you have the option to enter the amount of space you want to shrink in megabytes, right? So as you can see, I have around 100 GB here. So let's say I want to allocate 10 GB to the new partition. So I'm going to just write here 10,000, which is around 10 GB. And based upon this value, your Windows is going to calculate total size after shrink in MB. So this size is calculated. And once you have entered this value, just click on shrink option, which is going to create this unallocated section on the disk where you have shrinked this volume, right? So now we have around 10 GB unallocated space, which we have taken from our C drive. In my case, it can be any other drive in your case, right? Now, once you see unallocated here, just select the section which says unallocated and then right click on it and then click on new simple volume here, which is going to open this kind of wizard. Here you just need to click on next here and you just need to leave everything as default because we want to utilize all the space which we have unallocated, right? So just leave it as default and then click on next. Here you can choose the drive letter, right? So as you can see on my PC, C and D drive letters are already taken. So apart from these two letters, I can select any letter from here. You can see A, B and C and D are not available because they are already assigned. And I can choose any other letter from here. I will choose E here, but you're free to choose any other letter for your drive. And then click on next. And then you will see format the volume with the following settings. So you just need to leave file system as NTFS and allocation unit size default, just leave it as default. You can give the name or volume label to your drive. So by default, it's new volume, but you can change it to anything. I will name it as data. Okay. So the new volume label will be data. And then you just need to click on next and then click on finish. As soon as you click on finish, you will be able to see this kind of notification. And here you can see data drive is created with the letter E, right? So now when I go to my folder explorer, I can see this data volume partition, which is created on my C drive. In my case, it can be any other drive in your case. Now let me also show you how you can delete the partition on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's say you're not happy with the partition you have created on your hard drive and you want to delete it and you want to claim all the space which you have in that partition into your main drive. How you can do it, let's see. So for that, you can just click on this PC on your folder explorer. So just click on this PC and then click on show more options, click on manage here. And once this computer management window opens, you can click on disk management under storage. And this is the partition which we want to delete, right? So just select the partition which you want to delete. But first of all, one caution, you need to have the backup of the data which you have in the drive, right? Because when you delete a partition, all the data inside that partition will be deleted. So you need to have the backup of the data, otherwise you will lose your data. Okay, so that's been said, we can delete this E drive from here. In my case, it can be any drive in your case. Just right click on the drive which you want to delete, and then you have the option to delete it. So just click on delete volume. You can read this warning if you want, and then click on yes. And once you click on yes, your memory in your partition will be unallocated, right? But still, we need to just add this space in our main drive. In my case, it's C drive, right? So right now it's unallocated, but we want to use this space. So in order to allocate this 10 GB of space in my C drive, what I can do is I can right click on the drive which I want to extend. So right click and then click on extend volume option. So click on extend volume option and then click on next. And you will be able to see one option here, which is 10 GB in my case, because I have around 10 GB unallocated space here, right? So just choose this option and then click on next and then click on finish. Once you do that, your C drive will be extended and the unallocated section will be removed. So basically what we did is we have extended our C drive by 10 GB, right? And once you do that, you have successfully deleted your partition on your Windows 11 operating system. You can also check this in the folder explorer that now I don't have this E drive anymore. So this also indicates that our partition is deleted successfully. Okay, so this is how you can create a partition on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.